of our gadgets, and there is some really cool ones coming out for 2021. Sydney Tetro is here from the Women's Tech Council. Hey. Oh, I love it. This one's already lighting up.
Everything that you say, or if we were having a dance party.
Oh, my goodness.
Right, so everything, exactly.
That's what's happening over here.
That's what's happening. If we played our song, it would play to that, which is really cool. So we all know LED lights that are programmable, it's all the rage, right? All of our children have them in all of their rooms. But what's really cool about this are there are these tiles that you can create any design with, and you can both program them, but they also just respond to different things like voice.
No way. Is that what's happening right here, right now? Or is
so if we stop talking, and then we talk.
Oh my gosh, my 15-year-old would go crazy over this.
I think they're super fun. And what's cool is you're also teaching kids, so we're always thinking about how tech also teaches STEM, right? And in this case, you connect them together. And you get to program them, you can drive them from an app. And so it's going to
Can you buy as many as you want?
You can.
Oh my goodness.
So we first got introduced to this at the Consumer Electronics Show, which is CES, largest show. And they had entire walls covered with them. Any shape that you want, and you can actually take different sections and program them differently. So if you wanted a stripe in the middle to react differently than the other ones, so you're really teaching all about how you can create instruction sets.
Oh, I think this is the coolest thing ever. I mean, you could sing to it.
Totally.
I mean, that is really awesome.
That's right. And if you touch them, they will also change colors.
Oh.
So you have all sorts of different kind of experiences that you can create.
Oh, and I love that it changes colors. It goes from like the pink to the green to the yellow to the blue. It's really neat.
Exactly. It's super fun.
Okay, so what is this called?
So they're called the Nano Leaf tiles.
The Nano Leaf tiles.
That's right. Exactly.
Oh, I have to get, and where do you get these?
You can buy them online. We actually, when we saw them at CES, we asked them if we could just take them with us.
I know. It's because they're so cool.
Totally.
And they're so different.
That's right.
And it kind of tells you what to do with it, too.
Exactly. And then it can also connect to an app that you can then choose how you want to end up doing them.
That is really neat. So they come in this size?
They come in this size.
Okay, so it's this.
That's right. Come in this size, and then you've got a connector behind them, and then you literally just can create whatever pattern you want.
Oh, my goodness. Sydney, my son has lights. Strung up in his room that have different colors.
Yes.
He would think this is the most awesome thing he's ever seen.
Totally. My daughter does too. It's what all of our teenagers have. And I love just the combination of creation with technology.
With the technology.
That's right. Because it's teaching.
And then it's like art with it too.
That's
it's
right.
artistic and fun.
Totally.
Okay, and then what else did you bring?
Okay, so a couple of other things. Germs on our phones. We have talked about this all the time.
I just read an article this morning on the best way to clean your phone, and it's just hard.
That's right. So this is really cool because it also came from a Utah company. So I love Utah companies and technology. It's called Phone Soap, and it's a UV cleaner. So if you open it up and you put your phone in there and then you close it and leave it for about 10 minutes, it sanitizes your phone.
Oh, that's so much better than trying to wipe it down and do you don't have to do you have to take your case off?
Nope. You don't have to take your case off. And they actually recommend you keep your case on because your case has all the germs on it.
Well, I was just going to say that my case is dirty.
Exactly.
Phone Soap.
Phone Soap. It's a company out of Utah. We actually found them at CES a year and a half ago also. And then as you can imagine, with this year and everything that's happening, it just is exploded.
That is brilliant. You know what would be even better is if it charged your phone, too.
You can actually charge at the same time, but you just have to attach your cord.
Oh, you just attach your phone?
You attach your cord,
way.
and it's designed so it can charge and clean at the same time.
And 8 minutes?
In 10.
10 minutes.
That's
that
right.
is so great.
I think
that
it's
is
super
just
great.
really,
That's right.
really,
it's got a light on it, tells you when it's
smart.
done, and if you left it in there, it would still just be charging.
Oh, that's so great.
And these are just, as you can see, the UV lights. So it doesn't clean with heat. It just cleans with the light that's proven to kill everything from like E. coli to the common flu.
And it comes in this little guy here?
That's right.
That's little. These are such great presents.
How
much is this?
Presents. This one, I'm not going to quote on exact price, but they generally are running around $100.
That's so affordable.
And this one comes in a bunch of different colors.
Oh,
so you can buy like
Soap
pink,
is colorful
black,
as well.
sunshine,
Okay.
all of those different versions.
That's great.
Okay, so have you played with the Oculus yet?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so VR has taken a whole new step up.
I think this whole segment is for my 15-year-old because he loves the Oculus.
Well, you know, I have been a little hesitant, to be fair, on the VR side. Like, I'm a big fan of AR, but VR, but the technology state that it's now in, it's amazing. The worlds that you can create. And I've also decided that most of us are going to end up with a holodeck in our homes because you don't want people running into stuff.
Okay.
Because when you put this on, the whole world goes away. And it looks
you're just in
like
your
you're
own
in
world.
this own world. So I'm going to put this on for fun. And
so where are you right now?
So right now, I am in the world of getting set up for Beat Saber. And one of the things that's also going to happen is here on my phone. So I'm going to set up a bunch of things. I'm going to pick a song. And what's going to happen, I'm going to hit play here. And then I'm
so impressed that you know how to do this and what you're doing.
Oh, we'll see if we know what we're doing. So then what was really cool is oftentimes in VR, we're on our own worlds. And so we can't see, right? Like all of this music is coming at me. And so this gives you the ability to actually watch what is happening in the VR with the rest of the space. So see right here.
That's what you're seeing?
That's right. So see if I like move my, and I hit the music. You can see everything that I'm doing.
Yes.
And you can broadcast this to your television, and you can do all sorts of games. Earlier today, I was going to Machu Picchu, but you can box. You can do almost any game that you can imagine in this immersive world, and it is really, really fun.
Well, it's nice to be able to go to Machu Picchu when right now you really can't travel.
Totally.
So why not go with Oculus?
That's right, and it is completely immersive. Like we did the boxing game the other day, which is called Creed. You're in the ring. And it's amazing how close it is.
Did you sweat to death?
Totally. We totally all sweated. And you do not want anyone to run into the television. So you're like constantly like,
so you need to be safe
so
while using the Oculus.
That's right.
All right. And how much is that around?
So these runs run you about 300.
But that's still, I mean, that's hours and hours of fun.
That's right. And
especially
it's
when you're
interactive.
kind of locked up in your house.
I was surprised at how much fun it has been for everyone to just jump in and play something together.
It's awesome.
And have this experience.
All right, where do we find more information?
You can find more information at Women Tech Council. Also, all of these products are readily available so that you can get them. But it's really cool to talk about how tech is just making a huge difference in our lives.
It really is. Sydney, thank you so much. All right. Thanks so much.